Now, knee pain is common even in active young age group. Knee joint is a major weight-bearing joint. Hence, knee problem makes the life hell for patient and the entire family. Even day-to-day activities become painful and restricted. One may resort to painkillers, which has got serious side effects and may damage vital organs like kidney, liver, heart, and many others. Unfortunately for such knee pain, the popular solution offered is TKR, total knee replacement. In TKR, natural knee and its protective mechanism like cartilage, ligaments, etc. are completely sacrificed. Actually, this is an amputation of the natural organ, which may lead to problems like persistent pain, infection, loosening of artificial joint. In case of fall, it is not safe. Then what is the permanent and safe solution for this burning problem? The answer is Restoknee surgery. No replacement. Save natural knees. To restore your knee to normal shape and function. No implants. No opening of joints. Practically nil infection. Free to do any activity after surgery. For more information, feel free to contact us on www.restoknee.com. Restoknee surgery. No replacement. Save natural knees.